Alright guys, today I'm going to be teaching you on how you can dropship, like you can sell a product that will not belong to you on this website, GoShopIt.com.ng. The link to this website will be in the description of this video, so just click on it and it will take you to a page called Become a Vendor, where you can apply for you to be selling product on this website. This Become a Vendor right here. You can just come to GoShopIt.com.ng, then click on this GoShopIt right here. So once you click on it like this, so as you can see, Become a Vendor. So you just have to input all your details, like put your name. This may be your just I think this is not available. Let me check. So as you can see, this is not available, so you can't use it. So you have to use the one that is available. So let me just use for NK Tech right here. This is available. So I'm going to put address. You can just put any address. You can put your home address or any address. It doesn't matter. Your zip code, your country, your state. Note, this is only for Nigeria people, because if you're outside Nigeria, you can't actually dropship this website. But I will drop in another video soon on how you can dropship if you are from another country. So just click on register and it will automatically register you. But I already have an account, so I'm going to be logging in. Okay, let me just create account safe. Let me just register. Okay, this password, let me just input the correct password. So I just input a password. So now as you can see, it says, welcome to the marketplace. Thank you for choosing the marketplace to power your online stores. So if you are also a store owner, this is a benefit for you. So you can just say let's go. So you can set up your store. You can choose your location from the map and you can set it up. So all this one does not even matter. Show email address in store, so you can put this one. You can also skip it if you don't want to change anything here. You can also set it from the map. I don't need to set it. So you can put your bank account number, which is Nigeria bank account number. So I'm going to put in my bank account number. Let me just use 81467, and the account type, let me just use personal. Okay, I'm making a mistake. This is the account holder. Let me just paste it. Let me just the account holder. This one does not matter. The name of bank, you could just put the name of a bank, the bank address. All this does not matter. You don't need to put all that. Then click on continue. Just put your account name, the account number, and the bank name, and the rest is not actually necessary, but if you have, you can fill it. So as you can see, your store is ready. So you can go to the store dashboard, where you can view where to upload the product. So as you can see, this is the dashboard. Let's wait for it to load. So this is your dashboard right here. As you can see, this is all your store finances, all your commissions, all your total earning, and etc. So this is where you're going to see it. And to start uploading a product, just click on this product right here. This is where you're going to upload the product, and this order is where you manage all your order history. And the withdraw is, let me show you, the withdraw is this withdraw. is where you withdraw all your money, and this setting is where you set maybe payment method, any other informations. This is your profile to edit your store profile. This is to log out of your account, and this is to view your store, to view it, to see how your store is being displayed to the users. So that's that about that. So as you can see, no products found currently. So are you ready to start selling something awesome? So if you are a store owner, maybe you have a store, you are a vendor, maybe on WhatsApp or any other places, you can start uploading your product, upload the product image, the product title, and etc. But currently, since you are drop shipping, you are going to be using a product from another website entirely, which I'm going to be using Jumia as example. But you can actually use other shopping website as your dropshipping product getter. So I'm going to be using Jumia as for mine. So let me just go to Jumia. Let me just so I'm going to Jumia. This is Jumia right here. You can also use any other store. Just make sure that their price is not that too high. So I'm going to be looking for an item that is not that high. Let me look for, it's not that, the price is not that high rather. So let me think of, I think let me go for a watch, or what do you think? I don't know the product to go for. Then let me just go for this power bank right here. This is 14,491. So I'm going to put it. Maybe let me just see it. Since that is 14,000, firstly let me download all these product image. Just hold and click, then download image. So we're going to copy the product title. Let me just copy this. So in order for me to reduce the stress, I think let me just copy the description as product title first to my clipboard. Let me just pin it so it won't disappear if I copy another thing. Just hold and press then pin. So let me just copy this description of this product. I think the description is a little bit more. So just copy the description of the product to the, just copy it like this. Once you're done copying it, go back to your store dashboard. To upload the product, we just download the image and copy the title also with the description. So firstly, you are going to be uploading the cover image, which is just a single image. That is the image that will be displayed to the user. The first image, that's the cover image. So I'm going to be selecting a file. So let me click on download. So I'm going to be using I think, let me use this as my own cover image. So let me just select this. Click on upload file. We are going to be uploading the image we download from Jumia. So I'm going to just select all like this, then click on this select. You just have to wait like 30 seconds for all the images to upload successfully. So you just have to select the image in order you want it. So I'm going to be selecting it like this. Just hold and press. Okay, I think just click. Then it's okay. I think you can't select all of them at once, so I'm going to be selecting it one by one. Let me click on this first. But if you are using a system, just press shift. That will be easy. Okay. I think that's all. So the title of the product, we've already copied it, so we just have to paste it from our clipboard. This is it right here. So this downloadable and virtual, these two checkbox is actually for maybe like a course. Maybe you are uploading a course, online courses. Maybe the user can download the course. That's when you can put downloadable. Or maybe it's a virtual, maybe it's a service that you render, so you click on virtual. But since this is a product, you don't need to click on these two checkbox. So as you can see, virtual products are intangible and aren't shipped because they are virtual. You can just user will just see it, maybe like a course. And these downloadable products give access to a file upon purchase. Maybe they will download a file. So since that's not the product, is a physical product, so we are going to put in, we are not going to click on the checkbox. So we are going to be selecting the categories. So I'm going to click on phone and tablet. Let me mobile phone accessories. So this is the power bank. So click on done. So I'm going to be setting the price. The price is 14,473 or something. So I'm going to be set the discounted price. Let me see, the normal price will be, let me see, 22,679, and this discounted price will be, let me see, is 18,599. So after this product has been sold successfully, they are going to be removing commission from this product. So the total amount you are going to be receiving is 18,177. That's the amount you are going to be receiving for this product, and you are going to be purchasing it from Jumia for 14,000, and you are making a 4,000 gain. So that's it. So this 22,000 plus that I wrote up here is just like this on website. There will be a price that they will put a slash through. That's this 22. This 22 will be like the old price for the power bank, and this 18 will be the new price. So you can click on the brand. Then let me search for it if there is. Let me search. I think it's searching. Okay, this is IT. So the product tag, I'm going to be using like 2 product tags to make this video not too long, but you can use as many product tags to increase the search of your products. Let me see if there's power bank. Okay, I think, let me see, phone. So you can use many tags you want. Many tags you want, so just to get your product in front of many people. So this is the short description up here, as you can see. So I'm going to be going to this long description first. So I'm going to paste the description we copy, but I'm going to be copying just this first part. And okay, it's too longer. Okay, don't be too long. So I'm going to be copying. I cut it, so I can just paste it back. So I'm going to be pasting it as the short description. This will be the short description, and this will be the long description. So all these are not that important, so you don't need to put anything in it. So you can just you can just change the. Okay, I don't know what's happening. This product status is like, after you apply, if you are a new vendor currently, they will have to review the first product you want to sell. So after then, your products will not never need to be reviewed again, and it will be automatically be live. But for the first one, you have to review it, and this visibility is like, if you want your products to be hidden, you can set it. If your product to only be searched, if a user search for your product, that's when they will see it. If they didn't search it, your product will not be displayed on the website. If it's catalog, this means like your product will be only showing in the category section. Only if a user go to this category we set up here, this category we set up here, only if the user go there, that's when your product will be found. If not, your product will never be found. But the best option is visible. That means it will be visible anywhere, in category, in search, in any other place. And this purchase note is like, you can just put anything. Maybe after the user purchase it, maybe you want to give them information like, this order will be complete in so days, but I don't really need this, but you can also put that. So just click on this save product. And also note, once a user purchase a product, the information of the user will be sent to you. So in order for the shipping, all you just have to do is to copy all the information the user sent, including the billing address, anything else, and paste it in Jumia and order for the product. Once you order for the product in Jumia, the information of the product will be sent to the person, like the day of arrival of the product, and the product will be transferred to the person, because there's a shipping fee also in this website. So you are going to be collecting this 4,000 plus the shipping fee. I think is 1,500, so you are getting like 5,000 plus. So the shipping fee in Jumia is like 1,000 based on the location. So you are going to be getting like your 4,000 again. So just put the user details in Jumia when on trade, that's it, and you're successfully become a dropshipping, and you start making thousands of money daily. The more products you upload, the more you earn. You can also post this your product on social medias like Facebook for people to buy it. Once they buy it, you earn commissions based on your choice, because you are the one that are going to set the price for the product yourself. The higher the price, the more you earn. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like, comment, and share. Always stay tuned. I'm going to be uploading more tutorials soon. See you guys later.